Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, it is said that India runs on chai, and honestly, chai is incomplete without its best friend rusk. Whether you call it rusk or toast, it is the ultimate tea time staple. So today, we are going to make Suji rusk at home with very basic ingredients in your pantry. And the best part, you can store them for up to a month. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So first, let's have a look at the ingredients.
We will need 3/4 cup of सूजी. अगर आपकी सूजी थोड़ी मोटी है तो इसे मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में 30 सेकंड्स के लिए पल्स कर लें. Along with that, we will need 75 ml water, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 40 grams powdered sugar, half teaspoon active dry yeast, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon butter and 5 to 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for dusting. Now in a mixing bowl, add suji along with water and combine until dry suji is seen. Cover and rest this mixture for 2 to 3 hours.
Please do not skip this step, otherwise आपके रस्क हार्ड बनेंगे instead of crispy.
3 घंटे बाद सूजी पूरा मॉइस्चर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगी और बाइंड हो जाएगी बिल्कुल इस तरीके से.
Our next step is to activate the yeast.
इसके लिए थोड़े से वार्म वाटर में मिक्स करेंगे शुगर और ऐड करेंगे एक्टिव ड्राई यीस्ट. लेट दिस मिक्सचर सिट फॉर 5 मिनट्स और until it becomes frothy just like this.
Now it's time to combine rest of the ingredients to soaked suji.
So in goes our activated yeast, milk powder, powdered sugar and salt. For bakery like flavor, let's add cardamom powder. सब चीज़ों को अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे एंड देन ऐड सॉफ्ट बटर. Now take out the dough on a clean kitchen counter and to make this dough non-sticky, add all-purpose flour and start kneading it.
Knead for around 5 minutes to get smooth dough.
अब एक greased bowl में इस डो को रेस्ट होने देंगे until it almost doubles in volume.
As suji is heavy, it will take longer time to proof. For first proofing, it will take 45 minutes to 1 hour or more depending on the weather conditions.
Now on a greased surface, start spreading the dough and flatten it evenly. To shape it into a loaf, start pushing the edges away from you, sealing it after every fold. Once you reach the end, seal it for the last time. Now let it proof again for 30 to 45 minutes.
Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes
and bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes. First bake of our suji rusk is complete. Let this cool down completely and then cut it in 1 cm thick slices using a serrated knife.
Now for that signature crunch of rusk, we need to double bake.
Place these slices back on the baking tray. Bake them at lower temperature, that is 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. After half the time, flip to get even color from both the sides.
Just look at that beautiful golden brown color. These are crunchy and perfect to go with evening tea.
Once cooled down, store them in any airtight container and enjoy for up to a month.
So do give this recipe a try and share pictures with me on Instagram and tag Bold Baking Nation. I'll see you soon with another eggless recipe. Till then, bake bold and live sweet.